Sprinklers are okay, but I tend to keep it a stack. Only keep it real, no fraud, homie, that's that. All I got is my balls and my word, and that's fact. Ever need something guaranteed, I hit you right back. Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Twin here, man. Y'all see what we got going right here. Add some more water. I ain't gonna really need this much water, but this is how you start off tacos, baby. You feel me? How you start off tacos. Now, this has not been in here long. Should I use another one? Break it up. You feel me? I just put it on, so yeah, we on that. We on that. So shout out to my subscribers, man. I'm really a chef out this bitch. It's like my fourth time, third time, one of them, cooking tacos. So y'all about to see how these bitches gonna come out. This is the first clip. I'll let y'all know, man, we gonna make these bitches just like Taco Bell do. You feel me? Stop wasting your money at Taco Bell. You feel me? Which is Illuminati Bell now, whatever the fuck they call it. Stop doing that bullshit, bro. You feel me? That this right here is 6 pounds of meat. You dig me? A family of 4. You dig me? So we gonna have leftovers, you already know. Yeah. Yep. And I'm back. As you can see, the meat has been, the hamburger meat has been cooking. You know what I mean? I done broke it apart. We're gonna let it cook for some more. Cause y'all know how we are. We don't eat no damn what do you call it? Rare. We don't eat no damn rare meat, bro. We well done meat out this bitch. You feel me? So after this finished boiling, a little bit more water gonna get up out of it. We're gonna add the seasoning. I'm gonna show y'all the exact kind of seasoning y'all gotta get, which was $1. Which again, I can tell you, well, for the first time, let me tell you guys, this right here is like $11 for the meat. $11. Then you want to get like 6 pack. If you get this type of meat, 6 pounds, you want to get 6 packs of the sauce, which you could probably do like 4, depending on if you looking at your blood pressure or whatever or not, you know. And then off of that, you get your shells or whatever you want to, you know what I mean, what you want to eat with. Because basically, that's the basic ingredients: the meat and then the seasoning. You dig me? That's how you gonna have it tasting like tacos. And I'm gonna tell you guys the main ingredient they taste like Taco Bell. Excuse me. Right? Let me stir this up some more. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? But next cup, I'm gonna be adding the seasoning, because the pack actually says water meat with the seasoning, but I'm gonna do the way I've been doing it. I boil this and then I add the seasoning when the meat is done, and then let it cook a little bit, like simmer a little bit longer. But yeah, we can get to it. Yo, what up, man? Y'all see that right there? That's one of the main ingredients that I'm gonna tell y'all. You get this, you can get this for like 97 cents. This is the last pack right here, and I need to correct the mistake. I think I said 6 pounds of meat. This is actually 5 pounds of meat. You can get it from Walmart for like $11.34, some shit like that. And what I do, they say you're supposed to boil it with the damn meat, but no, y'all know how us black people are. We want our fucking seasoning. We want our, you know what I mean? We need that flavor. You feel me? Not to joke on nobody else's ethnicity, but we need that flavor. So generally speaking, I put 5 packs in per pound, right? So 1 pack per pound. So that's 5 packs a pound. Like I said, if you're dealing with high blood pressure or sodium or something like that, you might want to take that 5 packs to 3. I'm using one hand right now. I'm trying to get all this damn sauce. Y'all know how I am. I need to get all of it out. Shit. But as you can see, this is the 5th and final pack. And now, as you see, I have it on. I forgot what I have it on. I have it on low, like low, not low, but low, right? And you just stir it in there, man. I'm gonna let this simmer and sit on low, and then we about to start getting us some tortillas. This shit fogging up. That's how good she is. You feel me? So this right here, this is the main ingredient right here. That sauce, that seasoning. Now I know a lot of people, because when we was coming up, we used the El Paso, but this right here, if you want that Taco Bell flavor, this is where you go. You know what I mean? And of course, I'm gonna continue stirring that, but I'll show you guys the package one more time before we end this clip, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do my tortillas. See what I'm saying? Taco seasoning. Like I said, it's like 96 cents. You feel me? So what we at? We had 5 packs of that. That's 5, and we had maybe $16. We still underneath $20, right? All right, for a family of 4, right? All right, hold up. Yo, now I'm basically done, but I'm gonna show you guys the tortillas. Now it doesn't matter the brand, but this right here is what I like. Personal preference. Super soft. Now this pack right here running you like $3.84. That's like $4. So in total, if you're going to Walmart with like $21, if maybe 25, 26, depending on what you put on your tacos, maybe you want to put lettuce on there, tomatoes, maybe you want to get some nacho cheese, you know what I mean, to bring it out. Maybe some of you eat sour cream, excuse me. You go in there with $25, you're coming out with a family of 4 taco dinner that's going to last 2-3 days. You digging me? Depending on how y'all eat them. These right here are big enough, and you know when you put meat in the taco, in the shell, you don't put a whole lot of meat. You dig me? So this meat gonna last it's gonna last. You dig me? It's gonna last. So super soft is the way to go. That's why I'm showing you guys this, and the next clip will probably be of the finished product. Alright? Yo, I had to get my little brother to check me out right quick. Look, now this right here, I'm just doing this. Y'all can do this to my single fellas out there that don't have no family or some shit like that, or to my single mothers. Like, of course, you want to add this right here. I got some water here. This is probably too much water. Hold up, stay right there a little bit. Stay right there. Put that in the stove. And don't look there to do it. Alright, so, you know what I mean? Because you don't want motherfuckers talking shit online. Get you a little bit of water out and you dump the cheese in there so you can heat it up. Y'all want the cheese up here? Y'all can wait because we ain't got no tomatoes. Do you want tomatoes up there? You'll be alright.
I'll be alright.
Alright, so as you can see, put the cheese in there and you let that cook. I got that bitch on medium. At least just put some heat on the motherfucker. You feel me? Now, slide over here slowly, over here to this pan. Slide over here slowly to this pan. Slowly, right there. Now that pan right there, I'm about to turn it on. I ain't got nothing in there, no butter or nothing. And cause we about to start preparing the motherfucking meal. You dig me? But this cheese, I'm about to turn this bitch on high because it don't need to be, it's too much water in this motherfucker low key. Alright, now let me see. Like I told y'all, you get your damn thing, keep it on that pan a little bit, because they already seen this. And once you get it, and you taking it, you just throw that bitch in there. You feel me? Just throw that bitch in there, and you go flip it one more time, because that's just heating it up. You feel me? You ready to eat? Hit the stop button. Yo, finished product, baby. I'm low-key, I'm about to add me another one, you dig me? But this sauce, you can get that out of Walmart too. Mild sauce, taco, the real mild sauce. I vouch for it. You feel me? But yeah, we about to grill, baby. You know what I'm saying? Everybody good, my brother's good, my sister good. Now I'm about to fucking smash. You dig me? Drop a like, man. Y'all know that's why I done this shit. Put it on fucking YouTube. Drop a like, man. To my single fellas, my single ladies out there. Shit, get in there and make some Taco Bell. You dig me? You dig me? And the same shit with nachos or whatever have you. You feel me? Till next time, man. I'm out.
Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like about that. You the type get uppercut when your ass for your own butt. That's all right, homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like about that. You the type get uppercut when your ass for your own butt. That's all right.